is the new Lego Highway Speedster Motorbike. It is 9 to 16 and 42036 is the number of it. It has front suspension and back suspension. Let's take a look at the back. It says 0 to 3 are not allowed, so if you're 3 years old, then don't get this Lego set. But I don't think anyone is 3 years old. And it's 2-in-1. So this is the second thing that you can build. It's another motorbike, but I'd presumably think it's more off-road. This is the action features, which shows it, and I can't wait to get into this model. So let's open it up. Okay. It comes with the wheels and the tires, which I like. I love big wheels. Here's the stickers. And the bags aren't numbered, which I'd rather, but anyway. It's got a fair amount of pieces and it has 2 manuals. Let's get into the build now. It is finished. This motorbike was bigger than I expected, much bigger, and it's got front suspension, as you can see, and back suspension. Now, it's all Technic, well, apart from a few bits, and this is just some tracks which all went on these gears and makes it look very good. Now it moves right to left, this, so it can turn different ways. This way and this way. I love these wheels because I don't have many of them, and the tires are great. Yeah, it doesn't come with any minifigures because it's a Technic set, obviously. And the manuals are 2 manuals. You may think it's quite small, so you'd only have 1 manual, but it's a manual for each thing. I did the main set, which is this, but I didn't do this set, which is this. And that's why it's got so many leftover parts, and especially a big one. Back to the bike. If there's any motorbike fans out there, they'd love this set because it's got many parts and it shows many features of an ordinary motorbike. I think the pieces, the range of different pieces are amazing, and it uses transparent pieces, but when you move the back wheel and the front wheel, no, just the back wheel, the engine starts going up and down, And there's a stand here, dun, 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 which you can put on its side so it stands up. It's cool. Thank you for seeing this video, and I shall be doing more videos. Bye.